Hello and welcome to Quizfire Trivia, and today we have a quiz about everyone's favourite psychotic killing machines, cats. There are 25 questions on all things feline, so sit back, eat some catnip, and let us know how you do in the comments at the end. Cats are unable to perceive which of these colours the same way humans can: yellows, blues, or reds. Reds. What part of a cat is unique, similar to a human fingerprint? Ear shape, nose print, or paw print? Nose print. What is the scientific name for a domesticated cat? Felis catus, Felis lynx, or Felis familiaris? Felis catus. What is a male cat commonly called? Don, Tom, or Drake? Tom. What is the main purpose of a cat's whiskers? Picking up scents, decoration, or navigation and spatial awareness? Navigation and spatial awareness. Cats are most active during dawn and dusk, meaning they are what? Nocturnal, diurnal, or crepuscular? Crepuscular. Which of these cat breeds is known for its large size and pointy ears? Caracal, Singapura, or Munchkin? Caracal. The oldest evidence of domesticated cats dates back approximately 9,500 years, found in a burial site where a human and a cat were buried together. Where was this discovered? Egypt, Cyprus, or India? Cyprus. Cats cannot detect which taste due to a genetic mutation in their taste receptors: sweet, bitter, or salty. Sweet. A group of kittens is commonly referred to as a litter or a kindle. What is it less commonly known as? Earth, intrigue, or mischief? An intrigue. If you're enjoying these quizzes, why not consider giving us a subscribe? It really helps us out. Thanks a lot. Which cat breed is famously known for having no or almost no fur? Sphinx, Devon Rex, or Manx? Sphinx. Flossie, a British cat known as the world's current oldest cat, turned how old in December 2025? 27, 30, or 35? 30 years old. On average, what percentage of a long-tailed cat's bones are located in its tail? 5%, 10%, or 20%? What is the real name of fictional character Hello Kitty, invented by the Japanese company Sanrio in 1974? Kitty White, Kitty Moon, or Kitty Love? Kitty White. How many toes do most cats have on each of their back paws? 6, 5 or 4? 4. What is the name of the cat featuring in the movie Meet the Parents, famous for a memorable scene involving toilet training? Waffles, Hercules or Jinx? Jinx. What is the name for a cat with extra toes, as in more than the usual 18? Polydactyl cat, hexapaw or polycat? Polydactyl cat. Which author is known for keeping 6-toed cats at his home in Key West? Edgar Allan Poe, Mark Twain or Ernest Hemingway? Ernest Hemingway. Which ancient civilization famously worshipped cats? The Romans, Ancient Egypt or Mesopotamia? Ancient Egypt. Acting as a natural shield for vital organs, what is the saggy lower belly flap along a cat's belly called? A ventral flap, primordial pouch, or hunter's fold? A primordial pouch. What is the fastest speed a domestic cat can run? 50 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, or 30 miles per hour? (30 miles per hour, or 48 kilometers per hour). What is generally considered to be a cat's strongest sense? Hearing, smell, or vision? Hearing. What is widely recognised as the largest domesticated cat breed? Maine Coon, Savannah, or Siberian? Maine Coon. How many eyelids do cats have for each eye? 2, 3, or 4? 3. Why do cats often land on their feet when they fall? Hollow bones, sharp nails, or a righting reflex? The righting reflex, which allows them to twist mid-air. And that's our quiz. Give us a like if you enjoyed these questions and let us know your score in the comments. We've got fun new quizzes out every week, and if you're not done with quizzes just yet, why not check out some of the other great videos on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for even more great quizzes.